See my ring.
Come on, do the thing.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay, she on her way.
Who?
Mama.
Where she at?
Where you at?
She off?
Yeah.
Off for good for the day?
You off for the day?
So we gotta come pick her up?
No, don't she got the car?
Yeah, she do got a van. It's good. Come on.
This seat coming up.
Let me see.
Don't you see the seat coming up?
Yeah. Okay, go back.
At the house. Not the point, we in Turtle. Yeah. I just playing Mama name. I get. Oh no, we don't have to visit food. We got food from Pops.
Father's Day.
Look at these shirts we just made. Our dad, they tight. I made them. Our dads, yes. You hear, Mama? So when you get home, you gotta see them. See them.
Pull it from this way.
This far messed up.
No, it ain't messed up. It's just how you pulling it. Oh, I see.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Leave it on there for 3 extra seconds after it beat.
You quick to forget. You even got me tripping. You got me looking in the mirror different.
Keep it on there. Don't take it up. Don't lift it up.
Between them, rocking a hard place, the money in the dirt.
Alright.
Hurry to hate you.
So both is recording.
It all stopped so abrupt. We started switching it up.
Teach me
To be like you, so I can not give a fuck. Free to mess with someone else. I wish these feelings come out. If you don't care about a thing, it's such a motherfucking self. You think you're sitting tired, door. I gave you everything that's mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you're dying for. Be careful of me. Do you know what you're doing?
Stand up.
Things that you hurting and losing. You gon' get the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you're losing? Be careful of me. Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful of me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile it go on and be careful with me.
Oh, that's my song, yeah. You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming home 6 in the morning. Where you been? Where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. My intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no
Peel it
reason
the other
to
way.
lie. You
I
been
hit it
keeping
again.